Ito na pa dito tayo ngayon sa AI Catalyst Lounge, the side event hosted by OORT. By the way, thank you very much again, OORT, for bringing me here in Hong Kong to cover this event. And in this event, pag-usapan nila yung challenges, kung ano yung mga dapat abangan when it comes to decentralized AI. So I'm excited to learn then. So mamaya may mga panels dyan, makinig tayo. Try nating pag-interview ng mga tao sa ORT and then other companies here. Tara.
Today, we unveil to everyone in the audience Human AI X. Now we're going to be incentivizing human contribution on verification of data. And you can't believe it, but this is all Web3. So we've created an open protocol. Very interesting. It's the first of its kind, all Web3 products, all Web3 technology, Web3 companies. And this is going to be the first decentralized AI infrastructure that's permissionless, scalable, and verifiable in a WAGMI approach. Really all crypto projects coming together to build something tangible. Here are some of the founding members. Of course, OORT. We've got the esteemed XYO. Roughly 8 million users in their ecosystem. Data Secure, we've got Mr. Basu, who's going to be on a panel later today. He is the first to receive a grant from the OORT Foundation, 100K. He's going to be building out a security layer on EigenLayer, which is going to be really interesting. Units, that is from the Holochain Foundation. That is a mutual credit accounting system, the first of its kind, and we'll be testing, piloting this in this entire ecosystem. Storage J for decentralized storage. AI Keto, fantastic. They've got a partnership with Tesla, over 800,000 users, and basically a gamified labeling and data collections ecosystem. Of course, Holochain for holo posting or hosting our interfaces. Supermood will be helping us with marketing. Also, they've got a VC arm as well, so they will continue helping us build out this ecosystem. For those who are not familiar, YTG, Guild Gaming Guild, one of the largest gaming guilds in the world when it comes to Web3. IO.net, fantastic partnership. IO.net and also Waldi are going to assist us with this aggregated storage compute ecosystem. Take a look at this. This will be the structure. This is what we have planned coming down the pipe. So you've got your interface layer. You've got also the protocol layer. So that's a decentralized storage data protocol, and then also we have a compute protocol. These are all going to be open, so APIs you can plug in and you can access. This is going to be similar to the Bitcoin experience, which is permissionless and value add to humanity and society. Transparent throughout the entire life cycle as well. And at the bottom we have Data Secure, Mr. Basu, who will be speaking shortly, our security validation and verification layer. Now, what's really cool about this and what's going to keep us very busy the entire year is the technology that's going to be needed to be built to actually have this tangible experience. So we have created what's called the bus tour, and that is build useful stuff. So we'll be kicking things off at ETH Denver. We've earmarked roughly from the foundation side 100K across 5 tech-heavy conferences. So we will earmark 10K to the best developer for each of those conferences. And there's a culmination at the end, DevCon in Argentina, where the 5 get to compete for 50K. We think this is going to be really impactful for the ecosystem and decentralized AI. Also, just building real, tangible experiences. So far, every, I would say, AI product in the Web3 space is about as fragmented as possible, right? As you can imagine. And finally, we have the opportunity to bring everyone together in this ecosystem. This just goes over a little bit more about our prize pool and what we have planned. We've also teamed up with a very large name. I can't say it at the moment, not until we get confirmation from them to say it, but they would also be adding to that prize pool as well. The founding members that you saw earlier also have the opportunity to participate in this ecosystem as we build out the tangible tech. Now, this is our mission. It's just basically keeping AI decentralized, human-centric, verifiable, scalable, and keeping that all on chain. We believe in humanity playing a role in the future of this AI experience and not the corporate experience that we've all been having in the past. If you all are interested or building a Web3 project, please let me know. I will be floating around here, happy to talk to anyone that wants to learn more about this initiative, because we launch in the next coming hours.
Wow.
Yes. So thank you very much for your time. Even AIX is up next.
My name is CrypTito.
Mike.
I'm your ambassador in the Philippines.
Let's do it.
Yeah. I want you to think of anything that is related about OORT,
Okay.
cloud mining, AI.
Okay.
Okay, something that is very, very common, but not too obvious, like cloud.
Okay.
Right. So, what, do you have any? Do you have anything
I
in
already
mind?
got it. Yeah.
Okay. I want you to write it here. Don't show it to me. Don't show it to them.
Okay. Okay.
You got one? Okay. You get this. Then I want you to tear it. Okay. Get this paper.
Tear it?
Yeah, tear it. It's not here, right?
No.
Okay. Now, I'll try to read your mind.
Okay.
Now, this word, very common word,
In OORT.
in OORT. Oh, okay. So this can be a jargon to me. You know, I'm just new in the company.
Okay.
Visualize the word itself. I want you to count how many letters is it.
Okay.
Is it 6? 6, 7, something like that?
No.
No?
Have to confirm. No.
I want you to think of the first letter.
Yeah.
Just in your head, shout it out loud.
Okay. Yeah.
It's an S.
Wow. Yes.
Nice one, nice one. It's an S.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Uh-huh.
That's an S, okay.
Uh-huh.
Focus on the last letter.
Okay.
I want you to visualize the last letter.
Uh-huh.
There's no curve. Is it Y?
Yes.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Go for the second letter, okay? Think of
Okay.
the second letter, and this time I want you to think of any animal that starts with that second letter.
Okay.
You have one? You're thinking of elephant?
Oh, wow.
Correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Correct?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
That's interesting. That's really interesting.
Now, for the very first time, okay, I already committed myself here. I want you to hold this for me. For the very first time, what is the word that you're thinking of?
Should I say it out loud?
Sure.
Silly.
Silly. What's silly? Oh, this one. Your mascot.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't know his name or her name. I don't know. But take a look.
It's misspelled. I'm joking. I'm joking.
For real? For real? Is it?
What is going on?
Ah!
What is going on? No way.
Now you can keep that. You can keep that as a souvenir.
No way.
Yeah, and then
That's crazy.
thank you very much, Mike.
That's crazy. Damn.
Thank you very much,
Crazy.
bro.
How'd you learn to do this?
Psychology, mostly psychology.
Psychology.
Yeah,
What's the psychology?
psychology and AI.
That is insane.
That's kind of advanced AI.
I've never seen anything like that before. Never experienced anything like this in my life.
If you had to explain OORT to a 10 years old, how would you do it?
Okay, think of it as a laundry. Okay? You know where you have a bin where you put all your laundry in? Your shirt, your pants, your shoes. Think of that as what we call data. In this analogy, I'm saying your clothes is the data and it's stored in the bins. In OORT, we are a refinery. So we basically get your dirty clothes cleaned so you can wear them, which is essentially all the data or objects that are stored within our ecosystem gets cleaned by or refined by people across the world so it could be usable for training AI or whatever it is that you want that data to be used for.
How do you see AI and blockchain evolving together? And what role will OORT play in that transformation?
Yeah, so recently we see the hype of the DeepSeek, right? So the hype of DeepSeek mainly we see two trends. First of all, like a better model, and second of all, better data. So the success of DeepSeek is, they use the different ways to construct models, so it works more efficiently with less GPU support. So second, they have different ways called distiller to get different type of data, like better data, so that their models works better. So I think if we see these two trends, there's ways that blockchain can contribute. First of all, blockchain have access to a lot of decentralized computing resources, right? Those GPUs, maybe it's not very high end GPUs, but there's still a huge amount of GPUs that blockchain, our community can get access. So with the advance of the AI models, right, it enables these AI models to be deployed on the edge of the network be more efficiently. So that's what was working on with some of our partners to provide a more decentralized computing resource for AI training and AI inferencing. And also, in terms of data, OORT has a new product called Data Hub, which for data collection and data labeling and all the AI data, synthetic data generation. So this is a way for our community to contribute data and get this more inclusive kind of contribution, and they can contribute unbiased data to the AI training. And the main important vision that OORT is going to share is we want to have these AI models and AI data, they can connect to each other and in more efficient way, so that better data finds a better model, so that they can combine with each other and have and also we are going to build a hacker house, and the hackers to build on our hackers are going to build on top of OORT with better model and better data, so that I hope in the future that there's be more kind of a new version of the DeepSeek going to emerge on our platform. Yeah, that's what I have imagined. Yeah.
How can they learn more about OORT?
Oh yeah, there are different ways to learn about. First of all, we have our official website, Twitter account, our bloggers. Just follow our social media. You can get knowledge of OORT. And also, we also have like AMAs to the community with our partners as well. Just stay tuned with us, our Twitter that I would say attend to our community events.
Thank you very much.